Hey everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Thomas. I'm coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois today on this beautiful, gorgeous sunny day. And today I have the pleasure of showing you this really nice cranberry red black rally stripe Chevelle ready for the next owner. The car has been restored in the last 5 years, and you can easily tell on the quality of the vehicle. The paint job on the car is really nice. There is a lot of coats of paint. I was told 7 coats of paint, 7 coats of clear, and obviously you can see that in the reflection. But really nice sharp black vinyl top, Riddler upgraded wheels, beautiful exterior chrome trim, grille, emblems, everything's done really nice. The stripes have been clear coated, so you have a nice smooth finish. Look at the reflection, okay? It's a mirror finish. You can shave in the paint. So beautiful, like I said earlier, Riddler wheels, upgraded staggered setup, 18s in the front with a 225/45. And then in the back, we have a bigger size in the back here, as you can see there. It's a 255/35 ZR20, so it's a 20 in the rear, 18 wheel in the front, and that's what gives it this really cool stance. Okay, dual exhaust, beautiful chrome rear bumper, bullet setup in the back. We call these the bullet lights in the back. Nice fitment on the trunk lines on both sides. Vinyl top, like I said, excellent condition, no bubbling underneath. Super nice car. Excellent chrome, like I said. Dual sport mirrors both sides. It's going to need an antenna. When they painted the car, the antenna was not put on. The car was restored about 5 years ago, but the paint job was completed 2 years ago, from what I was told. So that's the front, that's the side. You've seen the back. And I will pop the door, show you the interior. Beautiful black vinyl interior. Look at the door lips. Gorgeous job. Beautiful door jambs. Like new door panels. No rips, no tears in the beautiful seats, front and back, with seat belts all intact. This one was revised here for a shoulder strap, so if you needed a baby seat, just comes down and across. So really nice modern touch. Excellent headliner. Shoulder belts right there. This has a Dakota digital, as you can see there. Shows 918 miles since that was installed. Dash pad is excellent. There's no cracks in it. All new SS cluster with gauges, like I mentioned. No factory radio, but upgraded radio. Boom, right there. All right, and there's your controls. Heat defrost does function, and your glove box. Okay, and you got your. I'll show you the sun visors are right there. Okay, I'll show you the passenger side. Beautiful red paint. All the windows roll up and down really nice and smooth. No rot in the car, no rust. Beautiful. And then beautiful. Okay, let's check out the engine compartment. Doors open shut, really nice and easy. Small block 350 with an aluminum Performer RPM intake, Holley 4-barrel carb, Edelbrock valve covers. You have a newer die-hard battery, factory air-conditioned car, but you will need the pulleys for it and the compressor with some brackets. Upgraded with headers. Beautiful, clean setup. Factory control arms, good bushings, power steering, power front disc brakes, rebuilt water pump. Gorgeous setup on the 71. Let me fire it up. Digital dash. Sounds really nice. Horn is not working. Wipers do function. Heat defrost does work. Let's go listen to the motor. Nice and smooth. Let's hear it from the back. Look at the quality of the paint. It's a mirror finish. All right. So left turn signal right there. Right turn signal right there. Let's go for a test drive. So it's got a really nice Pioneer stereo system, center console with the cup holders, hands-free for your telephone is for your cell phone is hooked up. Drives nice and smooth going down the road. Shifts excellent with the 700 R4 overdrive transmission, which is also known as the 4L60. Front power disc brakes work great when you get on them. The car doesn't pull to the left, it doesn't pull to the right. So really, really nice there. No overheating issues. It's about 90 degrees out today in Addison, Illinois, and it's running at 170 temp. Power steering, nice and smooth on the turns. Just a great car. Great quality, great reliable. You can drive this thing across the country. It's that reliable, that nice. Headlights function. All your gauges are functional. Right about 85 miles an hour, and it's straight going down the road. This overdrive transmission is the way to go, guys. Great gas mileage too. It handles really good. Handles the bumps really good too. No weird noises, no oddball noises in the car. Power disc brakes work good as they are right now. Great driver. Ready for the Hot Rod Power Tour. Also ready for any car cruises, cruise nights, car shows. Whatever you want to do, this car will give you. You know, it's not going to smoke the tires because it's a 350 motor. Yeah, it's beefed up a little bit with the headers, but it's not going to smoke the tires. It's just going to give you a really nice, comfortable, reliable A to B, and sounds excellent. All the glass in the car, honestly, is crisp clear. So for financing, we do if your credit score is between like 650 and 695, you'll probably have to put down about 10% of the purchased amount. And if you're in a 700-800 credit score, you don't have to put any money down. You can do 100% financing, deliver the car to your garage. For delivery, I do that. I would need your zip code so I can get you a delivery quote. Be sure to check out all my photos at mgmclassiccars.com. I do lots of photos. I do a long video. I tell you everything that I know about the car, what I see on the car, what I don't see on the car. Obviously, these cars are 50 years old. Yes, it's been restored, it's been repainted. But guys, let's face it, it's still 50 years old, okay? It's not a perfect car, but it's a really, really nice car. It's a car that, when you get it, you don't have to do anything to it, unless you wanted to add air conditioning. And they sell those kits on eBay if you wanted to check that out. But overall, excellent car. I really enjoy driving it. As you can see, it's nice and comfortable, easy to drive. You can have your kids drive them. You can have your wife drive it, your girlfriend, your mistress, whoever. But that's how reliable and easy it is to drive. So again, call me, text me at area code 847-848-1850. I'll be more than happy to send you a quote for the delivery and financing options. If you're a 645, 650 to a 695 credit score, go to jjbest.com. If you're looking for no money down and you're a 700-800 credit score, go to lightstream.com and you'll be able to get a quick approval there in about 15 minutes. So again, call me, text me at 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. Thank you once again for watching and tuning in to mgmclassiccars.com.